Hi folks, I've got my rig set up for milling, at least this one little piece. It's not a very flexible milling situation, but it should work for this. Here we go. I don't know how fast to run this or anything, or how deep to make the cut. I'm going to run it about there. I already started this pass a little bit. Sounds like that's a little too fast. There we go. And you can see it's cutting. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to cut. I don't know if I'm going the right direction with it. I'll try to pass the other way too. That block is not quite set up correctly. It's I'm just going to go in a little bit. So you can see I changed this. That cross line, I put it in a different place. Now that area right up there is where I'd already gone. And you can see she's a little, I didn't quite set it up in the right place, but it's good enough. I'm going to have to measure how deep I'm going. I haven't been paying attention. But it doesn't really matter. I just want to make a little groove in there. It seems at that speed I can crank it a lot faster. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Make a bigger cut. So this is the first time I've ever been near a machine that's actually doing some kind of milling. I have no idea if this is doing it right or not, but it's what I'm doing. You can see I'm taking very small passes. Whoops. I got the camera right in my way, so it's kind of awkward. When I get this done, I'll show you the milling marks that it's making. A bit better light on there. But really, for only having to drill 2 holes is the only modification I had to make. It's a pretty, it's doing a pretty good job actually. I think. And when I get ready to do the other side, all I do is switch the block, move the blocks, moving one for a spacer. Oh, I am getting tired of cranking. I'll probably take deeper cuts. Turn it up a little bit, make a deeper cut. Now again, I have no idea how fast I'm supposed to run this or feed it or anything. If you guys know that I'm doing something wrong, let me know. Now I'm making a much deeper pass here. It's more like it. I don't know how deep this is, maybe 15, 20 thousandths. Like it does better going that direction than it does coming back. I'm going to take it, well, I'm going to take a few more. I'm going to give it 15,000 or 20 thousandths here. See what it does. Seems to be doing okay. My wrist is sore from cranking this thing so fast. It's probably getting pretty hot too. I don't see anything turning straw colored or anything now. I'm taking about a 10,000th pass coming back. Probably shouldn't go in too much farther. I'm going to take one more pass at 20 thousandths. And that's going to be it. Looks like I'm about 50 thousandths in there, maybe. And I'll show you what that cut looks like when we get it on there. Oh, and I see I did not lock my carriage, so it may have, I was probably pushing against it and wasn't really making very big cuts, probably, but that's deep enough, so I'm going to take that off of there, and we'll see what I do with my wrench. Oh, I use a crescent wrench. Very soon we shall behold. There. That's not bad. Nope, I'd say that's not bad. Not quite in the middle, but it's close. And that obviously will not be up to the standards of a professional machinist. But for what I'm doing, that's going to work. I showed you the holders on the previous video. So I'm going to have to measure that so I can cut the next one the same depth. But I'm happy with it. For this little operation, it actually works. There you go.